My whole life I've been dressing up like a man. This is me.
A powerful moment for Maura, beautifully played by Golden Globe winner Jeffrey Tambor in the hit Amazon series Transparent.
And shows like Transparent and Orange is the New Black are helping to illustrate the plight of the approximately 700,000 transgender people living in the U.S. alone.
I recently sat down with transgendered actress Maya Jaffer, who actually appeared on Transparent. And she was very open, talking about the emotional, the cultural, and the financial challenges of her journey to becoming a woman. The real cost of transitioning is tonight's Inside Story.
When did you first notice that you were different from other little boys?
As far as I remember, every fantasy, every dream of mine, I saw myself as the girl.
For Maya Jaffer, born Mohammed Jaffer to Muslim parents in India, the feeling of being a female stuck in a male body was unbearable, leaving only one choice: transition.
I had decided that I either do the transition or I commit suicide. It's one of the two. I cannot continue living like this.
Maya's decision was especially brave because it happened before the new wave of acceptance for transgendered people, before Laverne Cox on the cover of Time, before Transparent, and before Oscar winner Eddie Redmayne signed on for his next film, The Danish Girl, where he portrays one of the first transsexuals in the 1930s.
It's a beautiful story about authenticity and love, and I feel hugely privileged to be a part of it.
But Maya's decision did not come lightly in her Muslim fundamentalist home.
If I had even spoken about being gay or transgender, then I would have been killed by my own family. They would have arranged to have me killed. And that would be an honor killing. And that would not be wrong to do.
And so, at the age of 39, the process of becoming female began.
I never felt guilty or that I was doing anything wrong, because this was the natural me. God created me the way I am.
Standing in Maya's way were the prohibitive costs of transitioning, according to our transitioning insider, Dr. Marcy Bowers, who herself is transgender and specializes in gender reassignment surgery. Those costs in the United States can run from $60,000 to $120,000.
First of all, you've got the doctor visits, therapy visits. Then there's the cost of hormones. There's the cost of electrolysis. There is also the cost of ancillary surgeries, and then that leaves the cost of genital surgery, which can be as much as $40,000 here in the U.S.
Maya, who documented her process in the documentary Mohammed to Maya, chose to have her reassignment surgery in Thailand, where it cost between $9,000 and $10,000. For Maya, the repercussions were brutal. She says her late father abused her, her siblings have disowned her, her mother suffers from dementia and still thinks of her as Mohammed.
We're not freaks. We're not aliens. We're not some monsters. We're just as human. We have the same feelings. We also get hurt. We also want love, and we can give love.